Hey YouTube, welcome back. So after I paid the DMV registration at our local AAA office, and I will try to remove the license plate, but some of those thread it came out on all four of them. Lucky my plate did not fall off. So LUCID sent the Lyft driver. This is the updated version. And then the service guy, he also sent me the tool to remove those two torque screws that's holding the plate right now. And then the new one has a new and latest update design. I guess it's just screw into those plastic holes. I don't see any threads. And he also nice enough to send me the screw that's taped down by those green tapes, masking tape, and he said there are two sets. So let me check it out. I'm not sure if somebody opened this already, so I feel the screws in here. Sonic. Let me move this. So yeah, that's just correct size. I don't want to loosen it all the way yet. I don't want to let it fall down and then scratch the paint. Anyway, I'm going to use two hands to loosen out those two screws. So this one is the new updated version. Let me face the same way. Oh man. I still need to get my Phillips screwdriver. It seems like this is shorter length. So he said I don't need the rubber grommet or the spacer anymore if I use this new plate. So these are even shorter. Let me go get my screwdriver. So this is the new one, and then that's the old one. I guess the old one, the thread, once you over tight it, it come through it. Oh yeah, I see the old threaded. The silver one all then came out. So yeah, I think if you have an old one, maybe you could like super glue it back. But it's better to contact them than get a brand new one. A brand new set. This one has a smaller hole. So yeah, before I put the new plastic plate, I'm going to clean it all out. Wash it real quick, wipe down. Wow, so dirty. So I'm going to screw in. Hi YouTube. Finally finished installing already. I had to use the longer screw. The short stubby screw was too short. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one always. Peace.